Hello, I'm Aaron Duncan, Senior Project Manager here at SoundSeal in Agawam, Massachusetts, and this is another in our Did You Know video series. Today we're here to talk about our portable acoustic screens, very high performance noise barrier with a sound absorption curtain panel and a modular steel tube frame. Can be easily shipped, assembled on site, and moved around your shop floor or any machinery that you're trying to mitigate noise. Some other features of the portable acoustic screens, which are great and make it easy to assemble and disassemble, are the fact that we add grommets to the top of the panels and we include zip ties for you to attach those directly to the tube steel frame. They also come with casters or wheels so that you can make the frame very portable and very easy to move around the shop floor. Dependent upon your needs, our portable acoustic screens are available in 3 different types. Our QFA series, which is the quilted fiberglass absorber, which allows absorption of reflective noise in the space. Our BSC, which is the barrier septum composite, which actually will help mitigate noise from multiple sources with a quilt on either side. And our BBC series, which is the barrier-backed composite for single noise sources. For more information, please visit www.soundseal.com.